Welcome to this workshop. My name is Adrian Shu, and I'm a physiotherapist by background, but also a clinical educator, and my academic interest is enhancing communication skills in students who are going to have a fieldwork experience.
And my name is Richard Leibrand. I'm a computer scientist and cognitive scientist by training. I'm especially interested in applications of natural language learning, natural language processing to constructing automated dialogues and automatic conversations on a computer system. And I'm also very motivated to find out more about how computer systems can be used for assisted applications and how they can be used in training applications. And that's sort of what we're talking about today.
So this workshop will then give you a bit more insight on what we have been doing so far. Also, I hope that all of you have used the link or are going to use the link now to see what the tool is and to practice. So the workshop will give you then an overview of the development of the tool and what we are aiming for, but also for yourself to have a go and to share the experiences of what sort of experiences you have with that. So I hope that you enjoy the workshop, and we'll look forward to seeing you there.